Your new snap-tight aluminum railing is one of the strongest heavy-duty railing systems on the market today. In this video, we will show you how to assemble your railing in 3 easy steps. First, assemble the railings. Second, prefabricate the rail sections. Finally, attach the railings. To begin your installation, assemble the deck railings. Begin by positioning the RT101 and the RB101 rails on a flat mounting surface with the notches facing upwards. Install the notched deck pickets. Start with a picket at each end plus one in the middle to help keep the railing stable. After all the pickets are installed, apply a construction adhesive to firmly secure the mating rails together. Then mate the RT100 to the RT101 and mate the RB100 to the RB101. Use a rubber mallet to snap fit the 2 mating pieces together. You have now assembled your deck railings. If your deck has stairs, you will also need to assemble the stair railings. Begin by positioning the RSB100 and RST101 rails on a flat mounting surface with the channel facing outwards. Next, slide the stair pickets through each of the openings. The pickets should stick out of each end by about 3 inches. Notice that there is a small hole in each picket. Make sure this hole is pointing upwards when the assembly is laying flat. Once all stair pickets have been installed in the stair rail section, insert the plastic pin through each of these holes to secure the stair picket into position. You can mate the RST101 to the RST100 and mate the RSB100 to the RSB101. Use a rubber mallet to snap fit the mating rails together. You have now assembled your adjustable stair railings. In Step 2, you will prefabricate the rail sections by cutting your railings to size and by installing posts. Begin by measuring each section of your deck to determine the length. On decks without stairs, start by installing a post at an end or corner location and measuring from there. On decks with stairs, start by installing a post at the top of the stairs to ensure the deck and stair railings will align. Measure from there. After measuring, cut each deck and stair railing section to the required size. You will then need to install saddle posts, end and corner posts, top and bottom stair posts, as well as mid-stair posts for each railing section. Here's how to install each post. For the saddle posts, determine where you want your saddle post. Cut the bottom rail on both sides of a picket. This allows you to remove the picket and replace it with your saddle post. Mechanically fasten the top and bottom sleeves on the post to the top and bottom rails using the recommended screws. End and corner posts have top and bottom welded sleeves to accept the top and bottom rails in the assembled railing sections. Top and bottom stair posts have punched knockout openings to accept the stair railings. Stair mid-posts have swivel fittings to accept the top and bottom rails, facilitating any stair angle. Once you have fitted each railing section with the appropriate posts, you are ready to attach your prefabricated sections to your deck. Move your prefabricated railing sections into position on the deck surface and loosely connect them together. Install each post with the appropriate fasteners. Be sure to consult with your local engineer to determine the appropriate type and size of fastener required to attach your S.T.A.R railing to your deck surface. Attaching each railing section to your deck completes your installation. This video showed the 36-inch high deck rail. S.T.A.R picket railing systems also come as 42-inch high railings. Your new railings meet stringent North American Building Code guardrail compliance for usage on both residential or commercial railing applications. You can now sit back and enjoy years of carefree beauty and peace of mind security from your S.T.A.R picket railing system.